Welcome to my fall home. I'm getting all decorated for fall and I wanted you to come on in and take a look at everything. But don't miss, I haven't done a lot of pumpkins and things yet. Pumpkins aren't available yet, but look at these gorgeous mums. Last year, Hobby Lobby had them in burgundy and I was hoping they'd have them and I could pick up some more, but this year they have them in the golden color, but they don't have them in any other color. Maybe next year we'll get rust colored. Come on in and take a tour of my home. I haven't really done much yet in the living room and the dining room. I know that there will be fall dinner parties. I've just popped a couple of gold pumpkins on the dining table. Come right on in. Right here, I've got a beautiful vase full of all dried and artificial bittersweet and grasses. Just gives you that introduction to the fall. And then for the first time ever, I did a fall or harvest tree, and I will be leaving this up through Thanksgiving. My favorite part about it is these little baskets. They are so cute. I've tucked apples and artichokes and plums and different fruits and vegetables in them. We leave the lights on every evening and it adds a nice glow to our home. I have a full video on how to decorate your own harvest tree right here on YouTube, okay? I will link to that below in the description. And then my favorite thing about this fall is my fall mantle. I really went all out with my fall mantle with a couple of huge arrangements on the end. If you want to know how to do this or how I did it, there is a full video that's a combination of how to do these big oversized arrangements and how I decorated my mantle. So there'll be a link to that right below in the description too. One of my favorite parts of this is this big woody grapevine that I bought through Etsy. Just gorgeous. And believe it or not, some of these leaves are real leaves that I got from outside. For a fall vignette on my coffee table, I have a couple of these lanterns. I will put a link to these in the description below. Those came from Amazon. The candles come on every night. And then I have filled the rest of this wicker tray with things like these wicker pumpkins. And I spotted this pumpkin early in the season and picked that one up. That's a new one this year. And then, of course, I have some autumn pillows on the sofa. I don't store all these pillows. What I do is I just change the covers for the seasons. Then over here, I have more of those mums like on the front porch. I just love the realistic look to these. And then I've added a really thick garland. I wish I could get more. I wish I could give you a link to these. I spotted this one at Home Goods last year. And then again, another lantern, and it's filled with a collection of candles. And then here are two of the arrangements that I have made on wooden candlesticks. There's a video on how to make these that we'll link to also. On my tavern table, I'm not going to have any large group of people, so I went ahead and filled my antique dough bowl with lots of neutral leaves. Some of them match my old maple leaf wreath that I put up here. I love this. This comes from Etsy, and I will link to this below. And then I filled the top of all the neutral leaves with a bunch of velvet pumpkins. I just love the lush look of this. And at either end, I just put a stand of wheat that's wrapped in burlap. Here in the kitchen, I always like to have some decor, whatever the season, because I spend a lot of time in here. I'll be baking Christmas cookies before you know it and popping them in the freezer to decorate when it gets closer to Christmas. Up here, we have bought these, my husband and I have bought these three kind of window frames at an antiques fair. They're not, I don't think they're really antiques. And I just attached an oak leaf wreath to each one. And I happen to have 4 of those wreaths. So I hung one above my cooktop right here. And then over on my island, again, another pair of those beautiful lanterns. And I have filled this big wicker tray with all kinds of fall leaves, fall vegetables, gourds, some dried hydrangea blossoms. And again, these candles come on automatically in the evening. And to coordinate with those, I added a leaf garland around my glass-fronted cabinets I had spotted this. Fall is proof that change is beautiful, and I love this so much. This is from Journey Decor, and I will also link to this. And they have several ones with different sayings about fall, and they also have Christmas ones and some other generic ones that are not seasonal. And then over here on my table here at the banquette, again, another video that you can watch is how I made this beautiful arrangement. And this is so fast and easy to make, but it just carries through the fall look throughout my home. I hope you've enjoyed my fall home tour. I hope I've inspired you to maybe make some of these decorations for your home this season. I have put links in the description below to all of the things that I've used to decorate my home and links to the other videos of the individual items. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And I look forward to sharing another home tour for the holidays before you know it.